Feels like a loss, to be honest. It feels like a loss ngoba you don't play like this if you want to win the league. Yabo. Mara ke ama players wethu team yethu will have to support them. A new tendency will do from Orlando Pirates, particularly ama players. Ama supporter ngakubhuwa enzeni, but never ever lose the support yama supporters wakho, particularly your fan base. So I'm saying to them, le tendency entsha eza ngabo yokuthi all of a sudden when they are angered by whatever, they will decide not to come and sing with the fans. We are noting that as Pirates loyals, because in our Orlando Pirates loyals, we have never seen that. We've got players like Abu Lekhwati that have given us some double treble. We have never experienced that under their leadership. So I'm saying to them, they must be careful of what they are doing, because that brings a disconnection between them and supporters. And once I'm a supporter, then they've got a problem. Some of them are coming from teams where they were watched by few people, maybe 20 more to bone abantu. So I'm saying respect the supporters. Yes, bayenza lento bayenzayo, kodwa asifundeni ukuthi sibahloniphe ngoba sinama lona mangaki ama sold out amangaki. It means ama supporters ayawenza umsebenzi wabo. So in order for us to silence our critique, they need to win on the field of play. You cannot create 13 chances and convert one. What are you doing with your video analysis? Because obviously your video analysis would have told you, "Hey, lana na lana I'm lacking." What are you doing in training if you are not going to convert what you would have seen? This is our downfall. So I'm saying to them, nabo mabaphakamisa amakausi, and it's never all is not lost, Tina will always give them support, but the new tendency that is coming, I don't think Tina siyajabulela singama support. Yeah.
Exactly. So ngicela sikhulume ngendaba yokuthi Orlando Pirates is actually number 1 on the league, ne?
Yeah.
But basithi siyachecka kuma top goal scorers abekhona ku top 5 in terms of ama top goal scorers. Do you believe ukuthi Orlando Pirates there maybe into ebalekile, it's a change of personnel or change of tactics maybe?
Let's go out and get the proper number 9. Asnayo number 9. Now Mabasa mina, I thought, because into is surprise, and it speaks to an experience of you winning the league. Umabasa is still the current leader yama goals ku PSL so far ngithake komunye. He's a previous leading goal scorer ye previous season, so akekho omunye still stands. Now, if you were to release him, release on the option. But now he has been released and the option is now. We're not scoring goals. So it speaks to what I'm saying, with him Mhlambe, the experience and management in as far as winning the league is concerned. Now, it also playing the part now. Ngobi yasiboni sukuthi, but krent ukuwina lento we don't know.
Sure.
There's an option ku Sundowns ongenayo. Option Gasaling, you don't have. Sundowns yanoka yithi, can you give us that option? And these are the people that you are competing against. So it speaks to what as well, it speaks to that particular experience that I'm talking about. Umbogazi, delay the sale. Ithi nje ngoMay ningamthatha. ngoMay league iphelile. I mean that team emthengile in an understanding to an extent where they allowed him to go and play ku AFCON. Adlale yonke le AFCON. Even certain games that were still left go Orlando Pirates, they gave him the opportunity to play. So the team was understanding what I know. It's fine, you can take all your time. So you should have said ngicela nimthathe ngoMay. So it also speaks to management yethu ukuthi mara asikho mnandi in as far as winning this thing is concerned. So those are the couple of factors that are now surfacing ukuthi mara lana nalana besileke,
So khuluma ngendaba ka number 9 mfethu, mawubhekile ku PSL or just in Africa as a whole, Orlando Pirates ngayo scout abantu or ngayo scout kuphi sikhona mhlawumbe strike osibhekile ukuthi singafika shaya span ku Orlando Pirates.
Engage on that one, Chairman.
Okay,
on that one. Thank you so much. So what I'm thinking, Shalulile, he's there for Sundowns, but he's not playing enough. And as a Pirate scout, I should go there. Okay, as a Pirate scout, so you need to go to Sundowns, knock, Sundowns, we need Shalulile as Pirates fans. You know,
they won't give you players.
no, it's fine.
No, they won't.
It's fine, but then as a scout, just try your best, see what happens. You know, we also have a player from Skukune. You know, that striker from Skukune.
Which one?
I forgot the name, but he's been scoring goals, you know. So we need those players. If you can remember, if you go back to the history, Orlando Pirates plays with strikers. Ndulula, who's that guy with
Erasmus.
Yeah.
Mapena,
But
you know.
to cut it short. Hambi yokhuluma ne Golden Arrows. The relationship yethu at least is balanced. The relationship, go to Golden Arrows and get Dion.
Yes, true.
And get Ndlovu. I mean, Dion is a leading goal scorer right now. No Ikram Reyners. Go to them. Coach Mangoba, Ulona, Nikazi used to work for them. The relationship is there. We are getting players from them. Go to them and request to Dion. Basnikez Dion spawn good sense kanjani. But the relationship here to Sundowns is one-sided. Sundowns will never give you Mkwin. But Sundowns will take one of your best. So that relationship, I mean, I disown Sundowns and Pirates. I don't like it. So yeah, if I were to think of a striker, I'll go to Golden Arrows and request to Dion. Yeah.
What do you think of players like Titus, players like Fakri Lake, he was also playing outside of
Fakri Lake is also good because he's doing very well in Egypt. So bring him back naye mangabe ngempela ufuna a proper number 9. I-Pirates idinga a proper number 9. Yeah, a full number 9.
Ngicela sivale nge-man of the match yakho today, member.
Umbatha mfethu ngizoyinikeza Umbatha usinikezile ne-assist of some sort, so ngizoyinikeza Umbatha.
Yeah, kakhulu mfethu. Going forward, i-league usasena hope ukuthi we are still in the line for the league.
Yeah, iSundowns inama game ezowadlala. You'll never know. Look, namhlanje nobody knew ukuthi will draw the game. We all thought ukuthi i-game yelona mina I thought i-game ezosinikeza i-problem ye Richards Bay, but we grinded result kule game ye Richards Bay, and then mina where I thought we'll win nice draw it. So the same can happen to Sundowns. They still have to play Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, so not all is lost.
Member,
Ngicela sivale mfethu,
PSL Pass, please subscribe. Danko.